Good morning, tutor. Next I make the video or activity 4. My name is Wilfredo Fernandez. My identification number I am 35 years old. I am technical coordinator. I am tall. My hair is black. I'm very cheerful in the morning. I get up 5 am. I review the content on my course. Then I breakfast at 7 but my wife always. I go my work in my motorcycle. After had lunch in the coffee shop of my work. After I go up to my customer at work. I write report letter. I go to my home. I want, I want to introduce you to my family. There are 4 people in my family. My wife is Maria Camacho. She is 35 years old. She is stylish. She is from Ibagué. Her eyes are black. She has black hair. My eldest daughter, Maria del Mar. She is 14 years old. Her eyes are black. Her hair is black alone. My second daughter, Sofia. She is 12 years old. Her eyes are brown. Her hair is brown and wavy. My youngest daughter, Elena. She is 8 years old. Her eyes are blue. Her hair is brown and wavy. This is a wonderful family. Thanks.